Hello friends, today we're going to discover this very nice NexTool outdoor 6-in-1 Thunder flashlight. Welcome to this new video. In this video we're going to check out everything about this very cool flashlight of NexTool. But first of all I have to say that NexTool sent me this flashlight to show it on my channel, but as always I give you my honest opinion. Now this little powerhouse ships for about $49. And you get a lot of functions in one flashlight. It has 1000 lumens and 19 hours of max runtime. It has a 3.6 volt Lion battery. And it weighs about 203 grams and is made of aluminium alloy. Although it isn't watertight, it is resistant to splashes and rain, of course. As you can see here, there's a magnetic strip, so you can easily attach it to your car or work post. And this flashlight combines flashlight, camping lantern, working light and a signal beacon. It has an emergency alarm. The flashlight also has telescopic zoom. The side lantern has 4 adjustable modes and can shine in red and in white. And the alarm is a very high decibel. They don't really specify how loud it is, but it is very loud, so we're going to check it out in a minute. And it is triggered by a 2.5 seconds press. So now let's see what's in the box. I have all the specifications. And the flashlight itself. It isn't heavy at all, but it feels solid enough. You can see the magnetic strip right here. Here we have the charging port. So that's very cool and handy. The USB-A port is an emergency charging device. So like a small power bank, USB-C port is used to charge the flashlight itself. And the button that you see here is activated by pressing on this big power notch. So long press and it activates. A press and it goes to a less brighter mode. Another press it goes to a softest mode. You can see the zoom. A long press, it turns off again. You can see how you have to operate it as well. So half second press activates the light, which is really bright. And if I click twice, it switches to the side, the working light. You can see there's also this rubber lanyard. It's really handy when working with the flashlight in the terrain. And for the siren, let's try it. So that is quite loud and it flashes in both directions. So really great. Now of course I'm going to charge the light right now, and then tonight we're going to compare it with an old-fashioned Mac light, which is really old generation, but it is a well-known standard in the flashlight market. Now we compare it to this military LED light, which also is really bright and has a zoom function. And I will compare it to this frontal light, which also is quite bright. It's charging and you can see there is a red light flashing to indicate that it is charging. Okay, we're outside now and can do the comparison test. So let's start with the probably weakest one, the Mac light. Now you can see on the house next door. The house is empty. There's no one living there, so don't be afraid. I'm stalking neighbors. So this is for the Mac light. This is the military light, and you can clearly see it's way brighter. And now let's test the NexTool. Wow, so this is really ultra bright. Let's try the zoom function as well. Wow. I'm really surprised. I didn't expect that it was going to be this bright. Now the zoom function works really well. Now first the frontal light at its brightest. So this on the brightest position it is really bright as well, and thanks to the magnetic strip, really handy to hang it somewhere. Like you can see up, it hangs on the bench, no problem whatsoever. Now let's toggle to the beacon. Really nice. Now a rechargeable flashlight that is as functional, multifunctional I have to say. It only took 2 hours for the full charge. And it is so super bright with the main light, and the working light is really handy. So this will be my main flashlight from now on. So let me know in the comments what you think about it. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I see you in the very next video. Bye bye.